Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up MIDI-only ways. First, connect your MIDI device to your computer or audio interface via USB or DIN cable and power it on. Next, open your DAW and select the MIDI input and output in Preferences. Then create a MIDI track, arm it for recording, choose the correct channel, and test notes to confirm signal flow before recording. Also enable MIDI clock if you need hardware sync. Troubleshooting MIDI routing is simple and logical, and I'll walk you through practical checks. Verify cable type, try another USB port, and confirm device power and drivers are installed. In your DAW, inspect MIDI track input, output, and channel settings and ensure the instrument plugin is loaded and unmuted. Use a MIDI monitor to see note and CC messages, and note latency settings if timing feels off. Also check MIDI mapping presets. Quick recommendation: if you're spending long studio hours, grab Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your car smelling crisp between sessions. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more MIDI guides and tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. They help support the channel without costing you extra, and you can pick it up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Clock and latency choices affect feel, so set them intentionally. Select internal or external MIDI clock in both hardware and DAW, and set sample rate and buffer size for the lowest stable latency. Use delay compensation when combining audio tracking with MIDI instruments to keep everything tight. If you need tight rhythm, prefer lower buffer settings like 64 or 128 samples, and test with your typical project load and plugins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.